According to Statistica.com, number of cybersecurity jobs in US were around 7.5 lakh, which shall keep growing in 2024. If you are new to cybersecurity or planning your career move towards becoming cybersecurity professional, you need to have certifications to tailor your path in cybersecurity field. So that is the topic of today's video. Which certifications should I have in order to land job in cybersecurity? First up in our list is the CompTIA Security Plus certification, known as the cornerstone for beginners. This certification covers foundational cybersecurity concepts. It equips you with skills in network security, threat management, and cryptography. With Security Plus, you will gain a solid understanding of risk management and incident response. Next, we have the Certified Ethical Hacker or CEH certification. Imagine learning to think like a hacker but for ethical reasons. CEH teaches you about penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and intrusion detection. This certification is perfect for those intrigued by offensive cybersecurity tactics. Moving to our third pick, which is the Cisco Certified CyberOps Associate Certification. This program focuses on security operations and provides insight into network security monitoring, analysis, and incident response. It's an excellent choice for those who keen on working with network security teams. Our fourth recommendation is the GIAC Security Essentials or GSEC certification. This credential delves deep into the technical information security knowledge. It covers a wide array of topics, including access controls, cryptography, and security policy creation. Last but certainly not least, we have the Certified Information Systems Security Professional or CISSP certification, which is widely respected in the industry. CISSP validates expertise across various security disciplines. It's ideal for professionals aspiring to lead and manage cybersecurity teams. That concludes our breakdown of top 5 beginner cybersecurity certifications. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more invaluable insights.